Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the blurry or stretch screen or display resolution on your laptop of HP or computer. So let's start the process guys. First of all, you need to make sure that you are using the recommended setting on your Windows. Just right click on desktop and click on display settings. And once you click on display settings, let me close this guys. Choose here the recommended one first, and then display resolution should be recommended. So this is the first and second setting. Now go to here, let me revert it, go to graphic advanced display and set the refresh rate from, you can tweak the lower one, then you can go for higher one and choose whichever is suitable on your computer. So this is the second setting. So let's move on to the now second setting guys. Just open the device manager, and this time we will update the driver of display. Just double click on display driver and simply right click it and simply update it. Choose automatically, search it, and it will automatically install the driver on your computer. So if this also doesn't help you guys, simply open the Google Chrome, and once you open the Google Chrome or any browser which you use, just you need to search your HP driver and go to manufacturer website here and hit the command. This is the command, let me retype it so that you can see it. WMIC CS product, and you need to look for this identifying number. This is the serial number. Just copy it with Control C and paste it here. If you are using laptop, that choose the laptop. If you are using the desktop, choose that and simply paste it here. Two drivers I should recommend you to choose from here. First of all, let me select my operating system. First driver is driver display, this one, graphic. Choose the latest driver from here, download it, and once you download it, simply run the exe. Now the second driver you need to download is BIOS driver. This is very important driver also. Just you need to download both the drivers on your computer. Even you can also look for this option, detect my software and drivers. You may have to install additional software like HP support or HP driver here, HP support, and this can help you to scan your computer and install the all the pending drivers on your computer. Just start download, select the location, simply yes, no thanks, and simply run this, hit yes option. I'm showing you the automatic detection of all the drivers pending, not only BIOS and display driver, but you can choose all the pending drivers on your computer. Just it will just click on next, accept, install. And finish it, then click on continue, and now this will detect the my system serial number and operating system details, and it will start scanning my pending updates and driver on my computer and automatically download all the drivers. You just need to restart your computer after that, and your issue will be fixed after applying these methods. Let me close this. This is taking more time than expected. Yes, HP detection. I'll click on OK. Now you can see. Please wait while we find your software and drivers. This scan will show me all the pending drivers on my computer in HP laptop or system. And after that, guys, your issue will be fixed. Restart it. So these are the steps to fix the issue, guys. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.